when it's coming, how fast it will be, and the sci-fi future it will enable. The convergence of technologies such as 5G, IoT, blockchain and AI would enable a fully meshed world of wirelessly connected everything that would be seamlessly woven into the fabric of our existence, imbuing our environment with an intelligence that evaluates and responds to us, ultimately transforming how we interact with our day-to-day surroundings. Although it appears 5G phones won't be coming until at least 2019, broad-scale demonstrations of early 5G networks have recently taken place at this year's Super Bowl in Minneapolis and Olympic Winter Games in South Korea. How fast is 5G? The ITU has defined key 5G performance requirements as being a peak minimum download speed of 20 gigabits per second, 100 megabits per second, user experience rate, a peak minimum upload of 10 gigabits per second, 50 megabits per second, user experience rate, as well as millisecond latencies and support for 100 devices per square meter, 1 million devices per square kilometer. By comparison, 4G's standards call for a peak download of 100 megabits per second and upload of 50 megabits per second, while a recent report pegged T-Mobile as having the fastest 4G LTE download speeds in the U.S., topping out at 19.4 megabits per second, leading Verizon's 17.8 megabits per second. Meanwhile, for reference, Qualcomm's upcoming 5G modem chip, the Snapdragon X50, is said to be capable of speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, a theoretical limit that exceeds the data rate of even many fiber-based wired connections. 5G-enabled smartphones. With 5G, consumers will almost never again need to log on to public Wi-Fi. They will also enjoy faster browsing, faster downloads, better quality video calls, UHD and 360-degree video streaming and instant cloud access than currently available. Always connected PCs. With the advent of 5G networks, always connected PCs will be able to utilize super high-speed, low-latency connectivity for the next level of cloud services, as well as high-quality video conferencing, interactive gaming and increased productivity due to the flexibility to work anywhere. HMDs, 5G enhanced mobile broadband will further elevate virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and extended reality, XR, experiences with its increased capacity at lower cost and ultra-low latency, down to 1 millisecond. Mobile broadband, fiber speeds and massive capacity to support insatiable consumer demand for unlimited data, as well as superior mobile and home broadband internet access. Qualcomm. This year's Mobile World Congress, February 26 – March 1, should demonstrate some of the potentials of these next-generation technologies, listing event themes such as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, applied artificial intelligence and content media delivery. The future of 5G. The millisecond latency that 5G promises is largely possible to an emphasis on moving new infrastructure toward the edge. Long-term visions for this layout include the announcement of a neuromorphic brain-inspired chip that would rival quantum computing and be small enough to include in IoT devices, providing them with situationally aware AI. Having AI at the edge would speed up processing and decision-making instead of having to bounce back to the cloud for every execution. The technology and design of neuromorphic computing is advancing more rapidly than its rival revolution, quantum computing. There is already wide speculation both in academia and company R&D about ways to inscribe heavy computing capabilities in the hardware of smartphones, tablets and laptops.